Hello, friends of Ecoviable Solutions. Do you want to see the F35A? This week, we had something that isn't seen every day in the skies of Chile. We were able to enjoy the images, and some lucky individuals experienced live the flights performed by the F35 Lightning II, soaring through the skies of the great capital in Santiago, Chile, and specifically at FIDE 226. A fifth-generation supersonic stealth plane, the most advanced on the planet. Beautiful to be able to see and enjoy. Absolutely hungry for fossil fuel. But what would happen if that same engine roared with a fuel made from agricultural or forest waste? Considering oil of the kind Mom uses to make the sopapillas on days like this? Cloudy and rainy days in the south of our country, or even, why not, with green hydrogen. Today at Ecoviable Solutions, we are going to tell you why SAF, Sustainable Aviation Fuel, was one of the topics I didn't expect to find. Directly in the training courses I am taking through Corfo scholarships on green hydrogen topics. But this was not only a topic of the course, but also it was in areas of meetings with the Ceremi of Energy of the Araucanía region and of this whole process of modernization of renewable energies, where we had training workshops and also participatory ones where it is working with topics of biomass gasification, and this gasification can also be transformed into a base fuel to help decarbonize the energy required by supersonic aircraft, military aircraft, and also the international aeronautics. FIDE 26 is the largest aerospace fair that we currently have in Latin America. This year, more than 300 exhibitors and more than 33 countries participated at the Pudahuel Air Base. And the undisputed star of the fair was the F35, a Lightning I overall.